Hey there! Are you tired of battling messy data storage? Feeling defeated by disorganized databases? Then fear not, for Captain CRUD has arrived. Today, we'll be mastering Firebase Firestore, your one-stop shop for conquering your app's data like a boss. But wait, before we dive in, make sure you have installed Firebase into your Flutter project. If not, make sure to watch my Firebase Setup video quickly. So, let's get started. Go to Firebase console and choose your project. Here it's sample project. Now go to Build tab and click on Firestore Database, as shown. Then click on Create Database, if not created yet. Now choose your database location. Your location setting is where your Cloud Firestore data will be stored, so try to choose the nearest location. Once done, click on Next. Now choose Test Mode for now. Later on you can change rules according to your needs. And click Create. This might take a while. Congratulations! We have created our Firestore database. Now let's create a new collection. You guessed it right, spaceships. Now click on Start Collections and let's name the collection ID Spaceships. For those who don't know what is collection in Firebase, it's a set of documents that contain data. And once you're done, click Next. Now let's quickly create a sample document with fields like captain, number of crews, weapons details, etc. You can also use auto-generated ID, but for now, let's just create our own. And once you're done, click Save. Here you can choose the data type according to your needs. Like in this example, crew will be data type number, captain will be string, do have weapons will be boolean, etc. Congratulations! We have finished setup on console. Now let's go to our code. In pubspec.yaml import Cloud Firestore and Firebase core package. In main.dart we initialized our Firebase and run app, as shown. My app is stateless widget, as shown. We used material app and home is home.dart. In home.dart we created a stateful widget, as we will be needing some text fields. Inside that we created a list view and a StreamBuilder which takes stream as Firebase Firestore.instance.collection, spaceships.snapshots, as shown. Let's quickly create a button in which we will execute CRUD operations. Alright, let's see StreamBuilder in action. We'll use it to display a list of spaceships in our app, and whenever a new ship is added, removed, or updated in Firestore, the list will automatically reflect those changes, just like magic, or shall we say code. Inside StreamBuilder, first we checked if Stream got any error. If not, then we check Stream connection state and if Stream got any data or not. And once we got data, we will display it.
Like here we save our data in variable called data, which uses spaceship model.
Spaceship model. It contains properties such as ID, captain, crew, and do have weapons. Additionally, we've implemented methods from app and to map to facilitate converting our spaceship objects to and from Firebase-friendly formats, as shown. Now let's go back to home.dart. Here, once we get the data, we passed it to custom widget _spaceships, which is to display spaceship data in list tile format, as shown. _spaceships widget takes list of spaceships, which will be later used in list view builder as shown. Congratulations! We have successfully read data from our Firestore. Now, time for Create. For Create, we have created a function called createSpaceship, as show. This function get a reference to the spaceships collection and then add data to that collection using spaceship.tomap method. Now, let's quickly call this function in our elevated button. Remember, this function takes spaceship data, and make sure make it asynchronous as its future. Now, let's create text editing controllers for our text fields, real quick. And don't forget to dispose them. Now, we have created our text editing controllers. Let's quickly create text fields using them, so that later on we can use these data to do our CRUD operations. Now let's create a local variable called spaceship data to pass on to create spaceship function. We will be using our text fields data for these. And don't forget to parse data for integer data type like crew. Also our do have weapons is boolean, so do accordingly. Now, let's create a new spaceship. Run the app, and let's put the spaceship data in it. Congratulations! We have created our new spaceship. Now time for update. For update, we have created a function called updateSpaceship, which takes new spaceship data, including the unique ID for which we want to update, as shown. Now, let's quickly call this function in our elevated button.
Let's run our app.
Copy the unique ID for which you want to update the data. Like here in our case, we will be update the finalizer spaceship. Let's copy its unique document ID, and enter new data. Once done, click Elevated button, and congratulations! We have successfully updated our Firestore data. Now time for delete. For delete, we have created a delete function which takes unique document ID, which we want to delete, as shown. Now, let's call this function in our Elevated button and get rid of the extra data which is not needed for deletion, as shown. Just pass the unique document ID. Now, let's quickly delete the document. Like in our case, we will be deleting the shown spaceship. Copy its document ID and click on Delete button, as shown. And congratulations! We have successfully deleted the spaceship, but use them wisely. We don't want to accidentally delete the launch codes, critical app data. Congratulations, Flutter developers! You've successfully conquered your data with Firebase Firestore. Remember, with CRUD by your side, you can manage any data challenge your app throws your way. Now, go forth and build amazing things. But before you do, smash that like button, subscribe for more adventures.